Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A35. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box, look completion. In completion we have only Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, device in the blue color. Okay, and that's all. That's all completion. Okay, now talk about device. We have display 6.6 inch power button and wall buttons on the right side. On the left side without controls, upside slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Without port for headphones, Type-C port we only have, and speaker. Turn on device. Display AMOLED, Full HD 120 Hz. Open settings. About phone. We have One UI 6.1, Android 13, Knox 3.10. Okay. Open tests. Onto the benchmark. We have CPU Exynos 1380 and GPU Mali G68. Okay, good results. Look, Geekbench 6 results. Single core score, multi-core score. And GPU test results. Okay, very good, perfect. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.